Nathan? She just needs to make sure all this is in place. Basically,
Does she have the court order?
Welcome back, everyone. This is one of those encounters that instantly makes you question how far police authority really goes. From threats to pressure to straight up confrontation, things get intense very quickly. But here's the twist. The people involved weren't backing down. So now it comes down to you. Who crossed the line? Make sure you watch till the end, because every second matters. And don't forget to like the video. Awareness is power.
basically, because there is an open case, an open investigation, the kids are still kind of under their
That has nothing to do with me.
Sir?
It doesn't have anything to do with us if it does show paper.
Sir?
She could go across the street.
She just needs to check the kids, where the kids are living. That
No,
kind of
she
stuff.
doesn't.
Yes, she does. That's what she
Or,
does.
does she have a court order?
She doesn't have to have a court order.
Yes, she
It's
does.
an open investigation for
Come into my house. She's an employee of the state. She's a government
It
representative.
didn't work like the police. They have a lot more rights than what we do.
Well, they don't have more rights than the Constitution gives me. It has nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with me.
They're going to end up taking the kids. You don't want that.
It has nothing to do with
All you
me.
got to do is cooperate with them. That's all.
I'm not going to.
Go ask Dano what's going on.
I'm not going to because it has nothing to do with me.
But it does the kids.
It has nothing to do with me and the kids. It has to do with her and the kids and her being neglectful. I don't care. Have her get a court order and then she can come in. Okay? Have her get it signed by the judge and she can come in. All right?
They're going to end up taking the kids.
Well, I know you think that, but you know what? You don't know the law.
I do know the law.
No, they can't. I'm not under investigation.
It has nothing to do with you being under investigation.
Oh yeah, just because my ex-wife is under investigation, they cannot take my
It's
kids.
the welfare of the kids, period. It has nothing to do with the parents.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
You just gotta
it
say what
does.
they're saying.
Show
That's a
us
lie.
a piece of paper.
If she really wanted to come in here, she would get a order signed by the judge. Now, right now, I'm being harassed.
You're
I
not
feel-
being harassed.
Yes, because every day I have to deal with Elkins PD because of her, because my ex-wife.
Maybe you should remove yourself from the situation and make it better.
I did. She's not living here anymore, so it has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
And last time she was here, I was threatened with arrest because I took him to Taco Bell, which is bullshit.
Hey, shut the door. Okay, I'm gonna turn this damn light so she can't help herself. These lights? You want them? Do you want them? Okay. Yeah. Guess you'd rather do that noise, huh? Rather do that noise? All lights go bye-bye then. All lights go bye-bye because you can't make that noise. Enough. 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 Ugh.
I can't hear you.
Regardless, I still have to check health and safety. I need to see that Amy's tracker is on him, that the alarms are here, and that there's still the cameras to keep
Or
him safe.
what?
Well, there's an open protective services case, and the children are listed as the victims, so I will file the 30-day, and then we will be in front of the judge. So it's your
Okay, we'll go in front of the judge.
Okay, I'll see you at court.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey, what's going on? Can you roll this back one down for me? The tent? Sir,
Yep.
could you roll this back window down for me? Because the tent? The back one, I can't see through it. I don't know if anybody's sitting in the back, that's it. Just roll the back window down for me real quick. Is there anybody in the back of your car? I can't see through it. I don't really feel comfortable walking past it. Is there anyone in the back of your car, sir? Sir. It's just a yes or no. Is there anyone in the back of your car? I see your hands. You're good. I'm not worried about it. I just can't see through your window. That's it. Because the tent's too dark. What's going on, man? Is there anyone in the back of your car? Is there anyone in the back of your car? I'm actually, the only reason for the stop, it's an investigative stop, just dodged me 3 times. I was traveling behind you on 85, and you pulled off in front of me, and as soon as I was behind you, you turn off, and then get immediately behind me, and we go all the way down to the BP there. You pull off in the BP, as soon as I'm behind you, turn around, come back northbound, go 314, and then you dodge me another time. So that's the only reason to stop. You got your license on you? Is there any reason why you were driving in that? 1245, copy it, 27. You're good, man. It's just an investigatory stop. We're allowed to do that. Articulable reasonable suspicion. 056-214-433. Repeating 056-214-433. I assume you're the registered owner of the vehicle. Do you just not like being around police? So, I mean, that's pretty valid. I mean,
29 valid, Charles Mike regular out of Columbus.
is that your current address, Columbus? I don't know. Are you from Columbus or Morrow? Sir? You alright, man? Oh, you can talk. Dude, you're not in no trouble, man. You're good. You can talk to me. I see you got your hands out. You're good, bro. I'm just trying to get information from you. He's just not talking. You don't have to talk to me, but everything's good on his license. Everything's good on the vehicle. I just couldn't get past the back window. He didn't want to roll down because I couldn't see the tent. There's nobody in there, I don't think. But that's the only reason for the stop. Is that why you were driving in that manner.
Hey, how's it going? Come enjoy your vehicle, man. Is everything okay? You have his ID?
Yeah, it's just temporal. Here you go. You're good. It's just here. Here. I'm gonna sit it there. All right. You see it? It's right there. You're good to go. All right. Good talking to you. Have a good day. You're good.
I mean,
I feel threatened. Now you're being recorded.
Well, I don't know why you're being threatened. And guess what? You're being recorded too on body cam.
It hasn't been recorded from the get-go.
It has been recorded from the get-go.
He's been the only man that's been doing his
It
job.
has been recorded from the get-go. So if you like to argue about it, I don't care.
What are you gonna do?
I'm not doing anything. It's gonna be on you.
I know you ain't gonna do nothing.
So as soon as they take their truck, you're on your own.
He's not being reasonable, and neither is the other gentleman. And now they're being recorded.
I couldn't hear you.
I said he is not being reasonable, and neither is the other gentleman.
Who's the other gentleman?
The officer that just came over and told you that y'all are about to get sued, man.
Okay, so how can we get rid of this situation and make it better? What do we need to do?
I need to be able to get my things out of this truck comfortably.
Okay, can I help you?
No.
Why?
Why would you?
Okay.
Why would you want to? Just to see what I got in my truck?
No, I don't care what you have in your truck.
Well, then you don't need to help me.
All right, then.
I know y'all are
you
investigating. You don't need to investigate
We're
me.
not investigating anything.
You don't have no reason to investigate me. You should be investigating that company instead of harassing me, like this man did from the get-go. Why did you leave when you don't have any probable cause to ask me for my ID?
So, hold on here. Don't be a street lawyer. We don't need probable cause.
I'm not a street lawyer. I'm just lawfully inclined, my man.
Okay, we got called here, right?
By retards.
Okay, I understand. Whatever you think of them. We don't need probable cause to ask for your ID, okay? We're investigating the situation.
You do need probable cause to ask me for ID.
Okay, so here's what I can tell you. If you don't give us your ID, and if we keep asking, then we can arrest you. Do you want to be arrested, or do you want to
be
go
sued?
about your day?
You want to be sued?
Sure, I don't care. I'm just telling you what can happen.
You and that other
We don't
gentleman
wanna
are going to
do
lose your
that.
job. He'll be the only man that keeps his job.
We don't want to do that. So, why don't you just get your shit and go?
I'm trying.
Nobody's stopping you.
Leave me alone.
Nobody's stopping you.
You had the keys to the truck.
He's stopping me. He's asking, look, you see what he's saying?
You had the keys to the truck.
I got my keys.
Okay, are these the keys? Before you go in there,
Please park.
before you go in there, where are the keys to this truck?
Right here.
Okay. We need to hand them back to you.
After I get my
You
things
are
out
not
of the
the
truck.
owner, right?
After I get my things out of the truck.
Okay. So we will find out from them. They may want the keys.
Stop
They
trying
may
to be
have you
smart,
open the
man.
door.
Stop trying to be smart. You ain't smart.
Okay.
Y'all just need to get out of my way. Let me get my
No,
things.
I'm not.
Throw it on the street. Like. Y'all see what he's saying?
How much stuff do you have in the car?
A lot.
Traveling stuff, blankets, pillows,
I got everything in that truck, man. My life.
in the back too, or just in the front? Like, does it have a sleeper in the back?
Yep.
Okay. All he wants back is his truck and his keys.
That's fine. I'm just trying to get my stuff out now.
Okay.
Like it seems like y'all are threatening me,
No,
man.
nobody's threatening you. How can we do this peacefully before you can get your stuff?
Move and let me get my stuff out of the truck.
Okay, the only reason why we're not going to just allow you to go in by yourself is we don't know what's in there.
That's
I'm not going to.
that's not going to work, man.
Okay, I'm telling you what's going to work.
You got to call. You got to call somebody else. You got to call your superior here.
Right here. We're going to.
Okay. He's harassed me from the get-go,
Okay.
asking me one for my ID when he has no probable cause to ask me for ID.
Okay.
This guy's mad because I'm not talking to him the way he wants me to talk to him. Now he's mad because I'm talking to him the way I'm talking to him.
How do we want to settle this?
I just want to get in the truck, get my things out now that
Like your personal belongings?
I got everything in that truck,
What's
and
everything?
he's trying to make it seem as if I have to give him my ID or he's going to take me to jail.
What's
That's not happening. Everybody gets sued.
What's everything?
All my personal belongings, man.
How many bags?
I got a lot of stuff in there. I mean,
When
just,
you're willing to get it all out?
I have to get it out
Yeah.
because it seems that it's as if my truck's getting snatched from me at this very moment.
How do we get you from here to wherever you need to go after that?
I'll figure that out. Nobody's taking me anywhere.
Yeah. We'll figure it out for you.
No, what?
We'll figure it out.
No, I'll figure it out. I'll figure out how to.
We'll let you figure it out.
Yeah.
So we just come back and come get stuff out.
I got my key. I got the keys. If I'm going to enter that truck, that means I can use the keys to get my things out. He don't need my keys. While you're not getting my keys and you're not getting my ID, buddy.
Well, he's a driver. Now, he's contracted to drive that truck?
That's correct.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let's get your stuff. Yeah?
Now please move out of my way. Golly, dude. Check it.
And just like that, another situation comes to an end. But the real question still stands. Was this proper policing or a clear overstep of authority? Moments like these show how quickly things can escalate when rights, power, and pressure collide. And more importantly, they remind us why knowing the law is not optional. It's essential. At the end of the day, the outcome could have been very different, but awareness, confidence, and standing your ground can change everything. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Who was in the wrong here? And if you believe content like this matters, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Because the more people understand their rights, the harder it becomes for them to be ignored. I'll see you in the next one. Stay aware, stay prepared.